Hello everybody, my name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Today showing you another great property in the city of Medellin. Right now we are in Envigado in a very exclusive gated community overlooking the city at the right altitude, so you get the perfect weather and it's just great. Let's look at the property and see what you can see. Let me know what you think. My name is Thomas, Real Estate Medellin. Let's go. Now we go around the property. It's got very ample parking space, beautiful architecture, contemporary architecture. You're gonna see the house inside in a minute. Now we go to the back and we see, look at this, all this parking space, and we go around the house a little bit more. Check this out, terrace and green everywhere. This is just beautiful though. Now look at this. Isn't it nice though? I really like it. Very I like it. That's all I have to say. Groundskeeper doing a good job here. Let's go look at the back. Notice in this property, besides that, all that driveway is got a double parking space, covered parking space, which is really good though. I love it because I'm a car guy. And look at all this space though. Space for a trampoline, beautiful all around the house. And just wait and see what we're gonna show you right now, because this is just great. Look at this. Amazing, beautiful. The pool, the space for the soccer field. It's just amazing. Look at this. It's just an amazing property. And just wait until I show you a little bit more, because it's just great. Ample terrace. Look at the terrace. Ample terrace to share with friends and family. Just amazing. Amazing spaces. Beautiful. Enchanting. Perfect spaces to share with friends and family. Just look at it. Beautiful. Now let's go and look at the property inside. You're gonna see everything is just beautiful. Everything is where it's supposed to be. Beautiful lighting all the way around. Just great. Just look at all this lighting. all the spaces, beautiful hardwood floors. Now we go into the corridor and we go to the studio in the back. It's just everything is where it's supposed to be. Perfect. This first floor, as you can see, is just wonderful. It's got everything you need. I love the lighting in the first floor. This studio right here on the first floor is just perfect to share with family, with your kids. TV room, library, an exit. It also has an exit to the back through here. Look at the terrace. It's just great all the way around. An amazing property with tons of great lighting, tons of spaces to share with your family. Look at that inside garden inside in the first floor. It's just beautiful. Let's go look at more. Those panels close to give you more privacy between the dining room and the living room. Now, let's go and see what the second floor has in store for us. Let's go. All the bedrooms have walk-in closet and full washrooms, so amazing, super complete, all with amazing views, all with amazing amenities. Just look at it. Spaces and more spaces to share with your friends and family. Yes, wonderful. And look at this master bedroom. Amazing, beautiful floors, balcony, walk-in closet. Amazing washroom. Just look at it. Look at this washroom. It's gymongous. Amazing. Beautiful. So this is it for this property. I really hope you guys enjoyed this property. As you can see, it's an amazing property. Everything that you want, all the luxury, all the amenities, your private pool, amazing parking space, great view. Look at that. Amazing green spaces to share with your family. Look at this terrace. It's just great. Now, my name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Like, share, subscribe. Goodbye for now. Bye bye. See ya.